Tummy time for your babies. What is tummy time? What can tummy time help? How do I do tummy time? And what else should I know? What is tummy time? Tummy time is laying babies on their stomachs for brief periods while they are awake. It is an important way to help babies strengthen their neck and shoulder muscles and improve motor skills. Be sure to stay with your baby and watch closely during tummy time. What can tummy time help with? Tummy time is good for newborns and infants from 1 to 3 months old. At this time or at this age, they are just developing neck control. So tummy time helps develop the muscles they will need to roll over, sit up, crawl and walk. Always stay with your baby during tummy time. For older babies between 4 to 7 months old, they should still spend some supervised time on their bellies, even if they can roll over and they sit with some help. Tummy time helps them practice lifting their head and chest further by straightening their arms. This strengthens arm, chest and back muscles. In addition, tummy time is also used for newborns who have a neck condition called torticollis. In this case, tight neck muscles keep the baby from turning their head. So tummy time encourages babies to look around, and along with exercise your doctor will show you, it can help your baby's neck muscle relax. And also babies with flat head syndrome or positional plagiocephaly, tummy time is very important. This happens when babies spend too much time on their backs in the first few months of life. So this can cause a flat spot either on one side or on the back of the head. So tummy time prevents from happening of positional plagiocephaly. How do I do tummy time? For newborns, start newborns on tummy time by placing them belly down on your chest or across your lap for a few minutes at a time, 2 or 3 times a day. While laying on their belly, they can practice lifting their head and strengthening the neck and the shoulder muscle. As your baby gets used to it, you can go for a little longer. For older babies, place a blanket down in a clear area on the floor. Then place your baby on their stomach on the blanket for 3 to 5 minutes to start, several times each day. Your baby may get fussy and frustrated in this position. Keep the first session of tummy time brief and gradually lengthen them. And it was also a good idea to do tummy time when your baby is fed, changed and happy. As your baby gets used to it, place your little one belly down more often or for longer periods of time. Babies work up to about 1 hour of tummy time a day by the time they are 3 months old. Make some noises or shake a rattle to get your child to look up and push up. And also place a favorite toy in front of your baby to encourage reaching and forwarding movements. What else should I know? Always stay with your baby during tummy time. Always place babies on their back, never on their bellies to sleep to help prevent sudden infant death syndrome. So tummy time is not practiced when they are sleeping. Do tummy time on a low, safe surface. Do not put your baby on a sofa or bed where they could roll off or suffocate on pillows or a soft surface. Thank you for watching and also subscribe to my channel.